Hi all, welcome to Taste and Flavor. In today's video, we're going to see about green leaves in my backyard. The edible green leaves in my backyard. Let's start with this one. This is called black nightshade, also called in Tamil as manatakali or sukittikire. The botanical name for this is Solanum nigrum. See, these are the fruits. They are black, so it means they are ripe. I've plucked a few. You can eat this just like this and it tastes delicious. I also cook these leaves. I just saute them with coconut and onions. This is delicious. These leaves are a little bitter, so it's tricky. So that's the reason I add coconut. You can also use it along with dal. These leaves and fruit are known to have a lot of medicinal value. They're also known to cure ulcers and respiratory tract infections. Next, moving on is ponangani. This is also called as copper leaf spinach or sesame joy weed. As the name indicates, it just grows like a weed. So when you have all these plants, make sure you have a separate space for them because it's going to just be like a weed in your garden spreading everywhere. I also saute these, use it with dal or make soups. Now hiding here is Indian pennyworth or vallarakire. I make chutneys with this. These are excellent. When I was young, my mom used to say, hey, if you want memory power, just keep eating this vallarakire. It is very, very good and it has a lot of medicinal value. The next one here is amaranthus. I have both green and red. So as usual, you need to pinch the top and take off those flowers or it just stops growing at that point. So same with these greens, I cook it with dal or I just saute it, add some onions and coconut. It is delicious. The next one is a mint. It just grows crazy in my backyard. I use it extensively. So I use it in biryanis, pani puri, kurma, just chutneys, whatnot. Mint grows well when you pluck the top part of it. In that case, any greens. If you pluck the top portion like this, it grows healthy. This one is coriander leaves. Oh my goodness, it smells crazy here. It's so good. And these are just fresh. The coriander that you get from the shop is completely different. The grocery store coriander, I mean, it's totally different. Because here, these ones grew from another plant, right? So the seeds fell and scattered around and then these small ones just came up. So these are tiny ones and it tastes delicious. It's so different. Anyways, homemade is always homemade. So I don't want to miss these ones. These are the lime trees and I use the leaves in some recipes, like I make chicken curries with it and it adds so much of a flavor. So I don't want to avoid these ones too. The last one here is drumstick leaves, also called as muringakire. I use these drumsticks to make sambar. I also use these just like, saute it with onions and tomato and it makes a great curry for rice or roti. The leaves, okay, in Kerala there's a recipe that's muringela curry. So these leaves are used along with ground coconut and the curry tastes so good. You can also saute them along with onions and grated coconut. This is my second plant. My first one died after 3 years. So hopefully I'm going to have luck with this one. I'm going to try keeping this inside during winter. I hope you like this video. Get taste and flavor. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.